So of course, I've been telling you, we've been talking about getting the money for the down payment, the side hustles you need to save the money for the down payment. But today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 documents you will need to get your pre-approval from your mortgage agent. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 documents you need to get pre-approved for your mortgage here in Canada. Yes, getting pre-approved can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be stressful and boring. With good preparation, organizing, and planning ahead, you will be okay. You'll be fine. We'll take the stress away. And if you're ready for your own ownership journey, drop it below. So pro tip, while you're getting prepared for your own ownership journey, you're getting ready to contact your mortgage agent, you're getting ready to contact your realtor. Hi, I'm Yashika. I'm a realtor here in Hamilton, Ontario. So getting ready for this exciting process of home ownership, let me drop this pro tip. Create a folder. So whether that folder will be in your computer, on your phone, or if you're old school, you prefer a hard copy, create a folder and start collecting all these documents that I'll be discussing with you here today. Making this quick and easier, less stressful, less to and fro communication with your mortgage agent, because being prepared, being organized takes away the stress. So number 1 is your pay stubs. Pay stubs from all the employers that you have. So if you're working multiple jobs, you need your pay stub for the last 2 pay stubs. If you don't know where to find it, most employers, they usually have a login information or where you can log in and you can download them yourself. If you don't know where to find this information or how to get your pay stubs, then of course contact your HR persons and get your last 2 pay stubs. Now, no screenshot, download the PDF. Please, the PDF, because when you send these screenshots to your mortgage agent and they turn so and then lean so, the lenders will have a problem with this. So just make the thing look professional. Get your PDF of your last 2 pay stub and put it in your folder. Number 2 is your tax documents, and this includes your notice of assessments and any other child benefit that you'll be getting from the CS, from Canadian Revenue Agency. So gather your income tax, your notice of assessment for the last 2 years, and again, no screenshot, download them. If they weren't mailed to you, create your CRA account and you can download this information, okay? So that's number 2. Number 3 is your credit report. Now, your credit report is like your report card for your finances. So if you have been good at paying off your credit cards on time, paying your bills on time, then of course your credit score will be higher. But if you have been naughty on the naughty list with your finances of not paying off your credit card bills on time and your other bills on time, then these might affect your credit score, which results in a lower score. But we'll not judge you. There are different products for different people with different credit scores, okay? And this you can access via Equifax or TransUnion. Your credit score is vital, very important component of getting pre-approved for your mortgage. Number 4 is your identification. Of course, comes fraud. So of course, your mortgage agent and the lender will need proof of identification that you are the person, your face, your name, and all that to verify that you are the person. So you'll need whether your driver's license, your passport, government issued identification cards. So make sure you have one of these. And usually it's the front and the back copy you will need. This, you can take a picture of it, but make sure it is in scan. So you preferably a scanned copy, but as you know, our phones are good at taking those scanned documents. So just make sure it is eligible and it is showing your information properly. Number 5 is your verification of employment. Now, this is just a fancy term to verify, to confirm that you have a job and that's where your income is coming from. Now, this, of course, you'll have to request this from HR usually. So usually, depending on where you work, you send an email or you call HR and they will send you a copy. They'll write this letter, so you have this copy to present to your mortgage agent. Usually this lasts up to 6 months, I believe, for some employment. For some employer, it depends. So again, this is just to verify that you have a job, you have a salary coming in, so the date you started, how long you've been working, your hourly salary, and all that information. And again, keep this, download the PDF, and you keep it in your file. Now, if you like this video and if you need more video on your real estate goals, your real estate needs, let me know in the comments here. And I've got a whole other list of video ideas that you can watch that will help you on your real estate journey. I'll list them right here. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.